butterfly marto Quiero 날 마지막 주저나 좋아 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 비싸서 못
Yaman.
샀는데
Llama corte pata zapata da Canon iPad Makato. This camera is a very nice camera. Too expensive for my life. I can buy this camera because it's very expensive. This camera from the Canon, but I love this camera because I contact the ICA EVF. It's very fast AF. I'm very surprised. So I want to steal this camera. But if I get to that, I must going to police office, and then my life is dead. So just today, I'm just a test, and people, and me, and interactive making video. So today, I will show you to make a video, the one person, the story. It's like a documentary. Because I can make it, it's Canon i5 Mark 5 Mark II. It's very nice body, very nice lens, very nice people, very nice place. Okay, now I'm trying. I will show you to my video. If you want to my channel, please subscribe to me my channel and like and alarm 달랑 I can speak Korean. 한국 사랑해요. 너무 좋아요, 캐논.
Hey bro, Nemo Guac. Right now, you must be capturing the world. You want to chase the light, ponder your framing, and dream of capturing even better scenes. A great camera doesn't make amazing videos or photos, but a great video is created not by the camera, but by you. Your dreams are bigger than your equipment, and your story is deeper than any lens. What you should invest in is not equipment, but the person you aspire to become. We are creating this era, and the next era will be built by your generation. So, even though you hold the camera in your hand, never forget that in the future, you must capture the stories within your heart. Go after your dreams, for when you do, the world will follow the dreams you leave behind.
너무 좋아요. 진짜 미친 카메라. Crazy camera, crazy technology. I really like it. My body, in my body, 빨고 싶어. 사람들, people, 내 바디 장기 하나 뺐어. 카메라 익스체인지 하고 싶지만 고향 돌아가야 돼서 나는 갈 수 없어. Jamaica. My name is Jamaica. I'm from the Jamaica and my name is Jamaica. So my YouTube channel name is Hello Jamaica. So Jamaica people love to take a picture and take a video. I love it. I don't like to take a picture for the girl because the girl always beautiful and then hurt my heart. Shiba! But now I'm trying this camera, the Canon i5 Mark II. I love it. I'm very professional to my job and making. I'm increasing it to my skill. I love it because of Canon. I love that. Eye tracking, AF, and the body weight, and the cooler, and the memory, and AK 25 or 24 FPS. It's a very surprise. I never took photo, never take the photo, only video. And Sinlog 2 is very exciting. I'm never using the Sinlog 2. Sorry. I have to see 70. That is the using the silver tooth. But I buy the market tooth and silver tooth very. I love it. Yeah. This camera, maybe he is selling for me. Maybe 90% discount for me. But I never do that. Hello, my name is Jamaica. I'm from the Jamaica and my work in Korea because Korea people love me. 진짜 너무 좋다 이 카메라. 나도 한때 젊을 때는 이런 카메라 많이 사고 싶었어요. 하지만 우리나라 부도 안 당했지만 나 부도 당했어요. 내 비트코인, 내 카메라, 내 재산 싹 다 날라갔어요. 지금요 i5 Mark II AF 테스트예요. 내 눈깔 잘 따라다녀요.
무기 시키 그만 청소해. 처음부터 하루
네가 해 새끼야. 노동청 내가 너 신고한다 이 새끼야. 임금 줘라. 시간당 10,000원 줘라 이 새끼들아. 배터리도 상당히 오래 가고